Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty here to share with you one of my all-time favorite, super fast, so crazy easy, family style desserts that people absolutely love. These are a party favorite, and that is probably because they include some Patron tequila, which I absolutely love. If you know me, you know I love my tequila. Can't be made without the tequila, so stick around and I will show you guys how fast and easy you guys can make these for your family and friends, or for those mom's night in. These will disappear so fast. Before we jump into it, be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel. You know the deal. Subscribe, and don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and a comment down below. Now let's jump into these tequila bites, which are only going to take you a few minutes to impress your friends and family. Now, like I said, these can be made with or without the tequila. Only a few ingredients needed, and you guys have yourself a fun dessert in just minutes that everyone just loves. They disappear so fast every single time I make them. So I have my store-bought pound cake. Before we jump into griddling up this pound cake, we're gonna make a dipping sauce. I've already added 1 cup of confectioner sugar or powdered sugar to my mixing bowl. To that, I'm gonna slowly add in a tablespoon or 2 at a time of some milk. Whisk that together until there are no more clumps and everything comes together nice and smoothly. Next, we're gonna grab a lime and zest the entire lime into this sauce. This not only adds tons of flavor, but that pop of green color throughout the sauce is just so beautiful, so be sure to do that. Next, we will slice our lime in half and juice in just a tablespoon of lime juice. 1 to 2 tablespoons is perfect because you don't want this sauce to thin out completely, and if you do, it's perfectly okay. You can always add in more powdered sugar to thicken this until it is the right consistency to your liking. I like it to the point where it sticks to the back of a spoon, so it's not too thin, and it drizzles just perfectly over these little bites of cake. This is perfect, so we'll slide it aside and jump back to our pound cake. All I'm doing is slicing this into thirds and then into half, making for the perfect bite-sized pieces. Once my whole loaf is cubed up, we're gonna jump to preheating our Blackstone to medium or medium low. While that preheats, let's get to that Patron tequila that I have been waiting for. All you need is about a 1/4 cup to start with in a small bowl. You don't want to pour too much. You can always add in more if you run out. Otherwise, you're going to have to end up taking a shot of tequila if you pour too much and end up not using it, which who would mind doing that anyway? So we'll start with a little bit of tequila at a time and hit our Blackstone griddle once it's preheated with some butter. Now you could use butter or ghee. You could use any kind of oil, vegetable oil, or extra light tasting olive oil that you want. Today I'm using a little bit of butter. I have my bowl of tequila. All I'm gonna do is quickly dunk in 1 side of each piece of cake. All you need is a second or 2 in that tequila, dunk it in, and then get it down into that bubbling butter, and you'll instantly hear that Patron or that tequila hit the Blackstone and start to cook. Now, this is where you could skip the tequila if you don't want it. Just simply fry up your cake. That sauce is going to turn these into something amazing anyway. However, I absolutely love the flavor, that instant smell of tequila cooking in that butter. You guys are going to be blown away by the smell. It is so delicious. Now, you could fry up every single side of each cube if you want to, or you could fry up just 2. You want to be sure to fry the side that that tequila was in, and you want to make sure you only do a quick dip because you don't want your cake getting soggy. Once these are golden brown to my liking, I'm going to pull these off and serve them up. It's just that simple. Now, there are 2 ways I love serving these up. If I am having a mom's night in, or some girlfriends over, or my family or friends, and I want to be a little bit more bougie, I will serve these up in a nice drinkware glass. Instantly sprinkle over some pink Himalayan sea salt. Now, we all know there are lots of health benefits to pink Himalayan sea salt, which I absolutely love. So I do go a little bit heavy on this. Plus, you have to have your salt with your tequila, so it really adds to that tartness of the tequila and the lime, and adds a little bit of saltiness along with that sweetness that's in this sauce. It is just perfect. It is a party in your mouth. Finish them off with a drizzle or 2 or 3 of that sauce. Of course, we're gonna zhuzh these up and make them look a little extra fancy by zesting over some more of that lime zest. And these are perfect to serve up nice and fancy, or you could serve these up on a family style platter. Just pile up your cake bites, do the same with the salt, the zest of lime to make them all extra and fancy, and then just serve that sauce alongside so that people can dip on their own. These are so fun, and I promise you guys are gonna love them. Just the smell alone while they are cooking is going to make you go crazy. I cannot wait to see you guys enjoy these. If you do, you know the rule. Take a picture or take that extra step and take a little video of them sizzling along on your Blackstone. I cannot wait to see. When you do, be sure to tag Blackstone products and tag Blackstone Betty. And don't forget to go to that website, leave us some comments and that thumbs up. And if you're looking to stay extra cozy and warm this fall and winter while cooking outside on your Blackstone, don't forget you can always shop on the Blackstone Products Teespring store. There are tons of hoodies for you guys to pick from. I just ordered mine and I cannot wait for it to get here so that I can stay warm. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I can't wait to see you guys enjoying some tequila and tequila bites just as much as I enjoy both.